This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at the Mercedes Geländewagen event. I'm not sure what the heck it's called, but we're going to do an off-roading now. But I will not be driving. We will have a professional, a trained driver with us, and I'll just be riding it. I think that's the safest. This G580 has done many rounds now. It has seen its better days. It's full of schmutz. But okay, so let's get ready. Here, what we're going to do first is to we're going to reset the trip meter before we start, just for fun. We see what happens. So the first thing we're going to do now is to do the G-turn. So I'll just do all the explanation here. Yeah. So this is the end. This is the last round we do now. An extra lap, but we will not do the water run. We will take that from an earlier shot. Okay, so I'm ready. Just do whatever you have to do. Okay, so we have to enable the G-turn, and then we use the handles here, and it's maximum 2 rounds. Just get in position.
I think maybe we are too steep.
So it senses everything.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
No. Andrea, do you know this car has the bounce mode? You know, Mercedes, they have the bouncing mode.
Yeah, but not this one.
Oh,
yeah. Sorry.
That would be so cool to see. Okay.
Only the G steer and the G turn.
Oh, yeah, okay, but still nice.
Still nice.
Oh, that's interesting. I thought we switched it to English. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so now we just go up the trail. This is just the beginning. It's going to be a lot harder than this. And yeah, I've seen a couple of laps now how it works, and man, you know, when I did my off-roading in the Model X, that was just a walk in the park, really, compared to here. You know, first of all, I would never dare to drive a Model X in this track, and also the Model X would get stuck immediately because it's not built for this. But I mean, the Geländewagen is built for this.
Nå kommer vi til å bli dratt litt inn den veien. Nå har vi da 30 grader kjøling. Ja, faktisk 35 hvert øyeblikk her. Ned i vannet.
Er det her dere bulka bilen nå, eller?
Nei, det er det ikke.
Det er faktisk da blinklyset nesten ned i vannet på... Hva skjer hvis du har mer enn 85 cm vading?
Hovedproblemet med det er på rett og slett airconditioning-anlegget.
Ja.
Also, the truck is getting more and more worn out now, so that's why we cannot do everything. But yeah, this is not a dedicated off-road track; just a ski place. Because that was the G. That was a G turn, but we also have no. Wait, what was that? That was a G. The first one down there was
that was a G turn.
G turn. Yes. Okay, and this is the.
Yes, and here we are doing a G steer, but the surface is so wet, so it's not that easy to get it work properly. But we can try.
Enable that. It works up to 60 kilometers per hour. So we'll try to brake in the inner wheels and then add more torque in the outer wheels. Wow, that was impressive. The way you could just turn in that small space.
It works well.
Yeah. Oh. Is there also some kind of hill descent control?
Yes, it's variable, so you have 3 stages.
Is it active now? Or?
Yes.
Okay. You can see there's a little icon there. Now we're just going downhill. And this is the part where I was like, what? We're going down here? Well, apparently we are. I bet once this car comes out, there'll be lots of people doing some proper off-roading with it and making videos. This is a nice and quiet ride. Yeah, no noise here. How the heck can they just climb up those hills like a goat? That is insane.
With an electric motor on each wheel. Almost 150 horsepower per wheel makes this an insane vehicle.
And the last part here is also very impressive. Now we will see how many degrees we can just go down. So we need short overhangs and also high ground clearance. So this is where you hang in the belt, the seat belt. Just goes down and like, oh, okay, and then you just go, you just let yourself down here, and then so it is in percent, but wow, that is steep. See, I'm just hanging now in the belt like this. It is so crazy. Oh, what the heck. Also, I was at some light off-roading with the Nio ES8, but also there it was just quite gentle off-roading. This is proper off-roading, unlike anything at least I have been at on a test drive event. Well, the consumption is 999 watt-hour per kilometer. You see, we have done 0 kilometers. So it's just a very short run, so that's why we don't get any good numbers. But at least from what I heard, the consumption shouldn't be crazy high because we are just driving at very low speed.
Yeah, you can go up and down Shekel Mountain 14 times.
Yeah, 14 times. Yeah. Well, that was interesting and fun. And I guess for people who do proper off-roading, even this is just kindergarten for them. So yeah, I can't wait to see more off-road videos from other people with the G580. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.